first day in the stand. We've seen 12 deer so far. It's about 8:30 in the morning. It's super cold. Jude, are you cold?
Very.
Anyways, we saw 11 does and one 4-point buck. And we tried to get Jude to shoot him, but he couldn't find it in the scope. It's been a good morning so far, and we're looking forward to seeing some more deer. We're probably going to stay out here for another half hour. Jude's freezing, so it's probably 20 degrees. It's cold. Alright. We'll see you later. It was like 850 he shot.
Yeah, about 850.
Yeah.
How was it, Jude?
Did you already go up to it?
Yeah, I blew the heart right out of it.
You didn't wait for us?
Who else shot?
Well,
Who else shot him?
Tony shot first. There was...
Because I heard 2 shots.
He shot, and then, 3 deer came out of grass, and it looked like a 4-pointer chasing around some doe. I heard 2 grunts this morning, and I ran off towards him, and I don't know which one he shot. He shot at one of the 3, I guess.
Does?
There were 2 doe and then a 4-pointer kind of running them around. And then I looked back in the grass, and I could see some more coming out. And it was 3 yearlings or does or whatever. Then I see that 11-pointer. He was just kind of feeding amongst them, and he stepped out and he was going to head straight to the north. So I took him down while he was on the
Did he stay
trail.
right there?
No, he ran, and then he ran and then kind of went down by my bow stand, and then I lost him. I didn't hear him crash. And I walked down, I didn't see blood right away. It looked like, I thought maybe I got shot because I found like green and corn, but it must have came out of his mouth after I shot because I started seeing blood. And you can go down there and look.
See all the green stuff in the corn. That's how we got shot. This way. We'll walk that way. Down the way. You see him, Jude? You see him, Jude?
Lift him up, Eric. Show us.
That's a nice one.
Not a bad one at all. Nice buck. He's been in some battles.
Yeah, he's broken G4. G2's broken off.
Yeah, we never saw that one.
No, we never saw this one during the bow season. That's where you want to hit him though, right there.
Yeah, you do.
He didn't go for it.
Threw the heart rate out of it.
Put his head up on there.
Oh, does he stink?
He's still rotten, maybe.
Yeah. He smells
You
like
smell that?
He smells like a rotten buck.
Smells like a rotten buck, Jude.
I'm gonna go grab my backpack.
I don't know where Dane's coming tonight.
I saw 16 over there.
I'm surprised I didn't see him.
They were coming right to you.
7:30 to 8. Yeah, I was kind of hunkered down. Hunkered down. One behind. Huh? What was that one behind him? It was a doe. He's down. Okay, Jude, you gotta stand over here. Way to go, Pops.
Yes.
Dad just shot a big buck. It's about, what time is it? It's about 4:45, I think. Shot a big buck, didn't get it on film, but he's right. Okay, he's right down here. Let's move.
Oh my god. You just shot a buck. Sweet.
That's a good buck. Look how thick he is.
Nate.
Shine on him, Jude. Nice.
He's a nice one.
What do you got to say about that, Dad?
About time.
You haven't shot one that big.
Wow.
That's your biggest buck. He's thick.
Yeah, he is.
Big 8.
Big 8. He's had a little bit broken off there.
Look at his body, Dad.
He's got to be a 4.5.
Good job, Dad. Oh, man. 2 bucks out of the same stand. In the same day. You dropped him.
I'm right in the... Right there. Got him right in the neck.
As soon as he hopped out when I had the binocs on him, I knew he was a good one. All right, Eric's first RC in how long?
It'll be 4 years, and it would have been 4 years in March.
So, end of day, we are going
But the only reason I'm doing it is because it's deer camp, and Dad and I tagged out on bucks again on the same day.
And I have
So-
a list of business startups I got from the
There you
chamber.
go.
And I also know that I'm not an addict anymore.
Jude's nice enough. I don't know how well he's fitting in here. He's always
It's as good as I remember it.
Alright, it's Thanksgiving morning. Dad just shot a buck here yesterday. We're back in the pines. We got little Jude. We're hoping Jude can get just any size buck for his first buck. So we're gonna stick it out till 8:30 and then we're gonna go into Sherman's. Eat some grub. It's just a little peep.
because we're upwind from it. Just a little more. Good job. Alright, we're back in the pines. It's about 1:30 right now in the afternoon. We took a short break, went and got some breakfast. Last evening for the 2017 gun season, and we're still looking to try to get Jude his first deer, and it's still windy. I don't know when this wind is supposed to let up, but yeah, last evening, hope we see something. Gosh, I don't even think I was recording. What just happened?
I think I got my first steer. Dad, can you take the...
Yeah.
first steer? Yes.
Where did you put it on it?
The spring by its shoulder. Oh my god.
Way to go, bud. I think you just killed your first deer.
Same here. I really want to go and trail it. Oh my god.
Alright, we're gonna go down and look for blood. Let's get everything down. We're gonna go see if you hit it. Way to go, Jude. Where was it standing?
I think I see it.
You think you see it?
Yeah.
Lead the way. Do you see any blood? Jude, you see it? Hold up. Jude, come here. Jude. You gotta take the gun and you gotta poke it and make sure it's dead. Way to go, bud. Whoa, Jude, dude. Way to go. I am so proud of you.
Sweet.
Tell us what happened.
He was eaten by the corn and then got an open shot and shot him.
Gonna go get Jude's first kill.
Yo.
Turn the brights on.
I'm gonna drag her down. Here, grab that leg. No, this one.
The back leg, Jude. There you go.
Trust me, you're gonna want to take those guts out yourself.
You gonna tell all your friends at school?
Yeah.
What'd your mom say?
She was like,
I heard her say
What?
shut up.
yeah, she was saying shut up at least 15 times.
That means like, I don't believe you.
Yeah.
Sounds like she's a verbally abusive mother.
Okay, I need people holding these legs. Eric, you gotta get on this. No, there's no blood here. So you never get the blood can. Turn it into the blood.
Nice clean shot, Jude.
Dude. That hurt. saw it, didn't you? And you got one long neck just for shooting. The other one, I don't think you hit the other one.
There you go.